going to be making a video on this about this February 11th plan that I posted versus Top Pro on the market. This is very important for people who've never seen this or who want a deeper explanation of what was said between him and myself and what actually happened. And I want to make this is really important to understand this. So let's take a look at this here. All right, on February the 11th, okay, Dan Zanger posted this chart. This chart shows the potential 2,000 point drop setting up on the Dow. Okay, so what's that tell you? Bearish, right? What's that say? He's extremely bearish. At the same time, on February 11th, and on these two other posts are very important. Okay, let's take a look at the first thing. First thing he posted was enormous losses for the emotionally driven long trader on those new to a bear market. So basically, Dan Zanger admitted that this market is a bear market. I want to show you something. I want you to think carefully about this. We're going to look at what happened with the market after February 11th. Why I'm 10 times better than Dan Zanger. When you compare difficult market conditions toward in this market, even though he has that experience, he was clearly wrong of calling this a bear market. We went to new highs this year, people. That's how wrong Mr. Dan Zanger was. And he also said this. He says that patience and selective trading is hard to sell to rookies until they lose most of their cash. The 1% that succeed learn this. So basically, he's saying some things about rookies, which is true, okay? But this was a rookie mistake of calling this a bear market. With all your experience, when you go and call something and you put out a negative plan like that, and then I post the plan that same day, and then you disrespect the person, I've lost total respect for this guy, and you should too after understanding this and seeing what he wrote here. Right? This was all posted February 11th. This plan, this whole thing, all these messages. Right? Now, let's take a look at what I said, okay? And I'm going to blow this up a little larger for everyone to see it. So this is what I posted on February 11th. You can see that here, right? And this is on my stream. This exact chart you're seeing, okay? I said the SPY is set up to test back up into the 198 to 203 area from where we are today. The March 16 185 calls are good to use. Now, at the same time, people, I said we need to confirm. But I was bullish driven right in the most negative time, and exactly compared to Dan Zanger, the most negative time. But this was based upon how I look at my scans, what I'm seeing in the charts, okay, which is demonstrating advanced analysis skills. Beyond that, a fucking world record holder. That's the facts, people. Wake up and smell the friggin' coffee, what I'm saying here, because this is serious shit here. Look what I said here. Look what happened. Billionaires call this market wrong. Top so-called past traders call this market wrong. Where are we today? The market has made constantly new highs. And I called the bottom. This was basically after this plan that I made. This market never looked back. It went higher. We went up and down, but we went higher and higher and higher. And there were so many people talking about shorting this market. You have no idea how many professionals I made look like fools. And they were wrong on the calls, but not me. I made 10 additional SPY plans calling for a SPY high and was right 10 fucking times. Excuse my language, but this is the facts, people. This is the fucking facts, man. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at the charts here. Let's take a look at February 11th. What did the market do, right? And in what? It confirmed, and and in what? We hit 192. We hit 195 in what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. 6 days. Now let's go back to my plan here. My plan were March 16, 185 calls, gaining 300%, while the top trader, one of the top traders in the world, was so bearish he had no plan like this. I guarantee you for subscribers. But I was right, batting a 300% winning trade on the most negative time. Wake up! Smell coffee, man. That's why I'm making this video. This is serious shit, people. Read what I said here. Bear trap action confusing 90% of the traders and trapping many shorts before the great lemon squeeze. What the fuck happened? It confirmed we got a great lemon squeeze, didn't we, people? And I backed this up with 10 additional plans, winner after winner after winner. And on my website, give me a second here. Here we are at my YouTube channel. And to get to my website, it's Power Target Trades. Right? But I'm also on Sandro Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. Check this out. This is a new website. Posting information. You can check out this Google played 300% gains in 3 days. This is perfectly documented if you want to see for it. From the plan and everything executed. If you want to do the investigation, you'll find out for yourself. Right? Check out my stream. Like this cool background in the back. Fancy shit. Alright. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Power Trigger Trade. Power Trigger Trade here on Stocklet. So think carefully what I said, people. SPY. 300% gains in 6 days on February the 11th. I made a plan while many were negative. And you saw what Dan Zanger posted. This is serious stuff, people. I haven't seen anybody do anything what I'm doing. Right? And I posted additional plans to that SPY plan. Additional plans. Being correct on all of them. So there you have it. That's why I want to follow this. And you know what? I've been posting these plans, great plans, free. No, not. If you followed my plans, you'd be making money. There are people. In fact, there's a story about that of a follower who made a lot of money following me. Decided to listen to me after wasting money with a lot of paid services. Free. He got the best results from me. And I made that plan a fucking premium plan for the SPY. Okay, on February the 11th. Way over 300% gains in that. 6 days. Not even 6 days you'd be making that kind of money. Not even 6 days holding those options. So think about that carefully, people. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look for the subscribe button. This is a great video. I'm going to be posting this video on my website for more people to see. Because you know what? The facts are the facts. You know, I made 300. This was a 300. This was greater than a 300% winning option trade right here. 185 calls, March. 185 calls. Just think about that. This was in the money. We were at 196, and 6 days later. Just think about that carefully. How much gains that is. This plan was made. It triggered. It worked. We hit these targets. There you have it, people. Powerful proof. You can go scroll down my stream, find this, and find this this chart. All right, people. Don't forget to subscribe, study my videos, see for yourself. I post some great plans, better than a lot of premium sites out there. What are you waiting for? Follow me, learn my style, learn to listen to what I say. You won't regret it. But you've got to do the studying if you want to succeed. Thanks for listening. Like the video.